Gentlemen, let's talk about building deep, lasting attraction with women. Not the fleeting kind, but the kind that makes her see you as the prize. We're diving into the powerful world of Stoic philosophy, using ancient wisdom to unlock a woman's heart and mind. You see, women are drawn to men of substance, men who understand themselves and the world around them. By asking the right questions, you can ignite a spark that sets you apart from every other guy out there. In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 powerful questions inspired by Stoic principles. Get ready to take notes, gentlemen, because this is your masterclass in becoming irresistible. Look, anyone can fire off a string of boring, generic questions on a date. What do you do? Where are you from? Netflix or Hulu? Boring. Those questions won't make her heart race. We're not settling for surface-level chit-chat here. Think about it, the most captivating conversations you've had, the ones that left you feeling truly connected, were probably driven by powerful questions. Questions that unveiled shared values, sparked intellectual curiosity, and revealed the essence of who you are. The right questions cut through the noise, the superficiality of modern dating. They demonstrate a genuine interest in her, not just as a potential conquest, but as a human being with thoughts, dreams, and aspirations. It's about creating a space where she feels seen, heard, and understood. The Stoics believed in focusing on what we can control, our thoughts, our reactions, and the quality of our questions. By asking questions that uncover her inner world, you're not just getting to know her, you're demonstrating your own depth and emotional intelligence. Trust me, women pick up on that. So ditch the tired pickup lines and forget the manipulative games. Are you ready to unlock a whole new level of attraction? Let's dive into the first question. The first question is this: what are you passionate about? Simple, yet incredibly effective. First, it immediately shifts the focus away from the mundane and onto something that lights her up. You're essentially saying, hey, I'm interested in the things that make you come alive. Trust me, that's a refreshing change from the usual tell me about yourself routine. Secondly, this question taps into a core principle of Stoicism, living a life of purpose. The Stoics believed that true happiness comes from aligning our actions with our values and passions. By asking her about her passions, you're demonstrating an understanding of this fundamental human need for meaning and purpose. Third, her answer reveals a lot about her. Is she passionate about her career, a creative pursuit, a social cause? Her passions offer a glimpse into her values, her dreams, and what truly motivates her. But here's the key, gentlemen. Don't just listen passively. Engage with her answer. Ask follow-up questions. This is how you transform a simple question into a captivating conversation. Lean in, be present, and show her that you're truly interested in the things that set her soul on fire. Now let's delve even deeper with question number 2. What's the most meaningful experience you've had? This question is a game changer because it bypasses superficial small talk and dives straight into the realm of emotions, memories, and the experiences that have shaped her into the woman she is today. You're essentially asking her to share a piece of her heart, a story that reveals her vulnerabilities, her joys, and the moments that have left an indelible mark on her soul. This level of vulnerability is incredibly powerful. It fosters a sense of intimacy and connection that few other questions can achieve. From a Stoic perspective, this question aligns with the principle of focusing on what truly matters. By asking her about a meaningful experience, you're encouraging this process of reflection and demonstrating your own capacity for introspection. Prepare to be amazed by her answer. She might share a travel adventure, a personal triumph, or a moment of profound connection with loved ones. And when she's finished sharing, ask her how that experience changed her, what she learned from it, or how it continues to shape her perspective today. This demonstrates a depth of empathy and understanding that will resonate deeply with her. Let's move on to question number 3, which is a powerful way to uncover her core. What values are most important to you? This question cuts to the chase. It bypasses superficiality and dives straight into the principles that guide her decisions, shape her relationships, and define her moral compass. We're talking about things like honesty, loyalty, kindness, integrity, ambition, or a thirst for adventure. These values are the bedrock of who she is, and understanding them is crucial if you want to connect with her on a deeper level. According to Stoic philosophy, living in accordance with our values is essential for a fulfilling life. By asking her about her values, you're demonstrating that you understand this principle and that you're actively seeking a partner who shares a similar ethical and moral framework. pay close attention to her answer. Does she prioritize family, creativity, personal growth, or making a difference in the world? Her response will reveal a great deal about what truly matters to her and whether your values are aligned. Once she's shared her core values, delve deeper by asking her about a time when one of those values was challenged or put to the test. This will give you a glimpse into her integrity and how she navigates difficult situations. Now let's shift gears slightly with question number 4. What do you look for in a friend? This might seem like an odd one, but trust me, it's a stealthy way to uncover what she truly values in a close relationship. Think about it. The qualities we seek in our closest friends are often the same qualities we desire in a romantic partner. We want someone who is trustworthy, supportive, makes us laugh, and shares our interests. By asking her about her ideal friend, you're essentially getting a sneak peek into her relationship blueprint. From a Stoic perspective, this question aligns with the principle of virtue. The Stoics believed that true friendship is based on shared values, mutual respect, and a commitment to personal growth. As she describes the qualities she admires in a friend, pay close attention. Does she value loyalty, a good sense of humor, intellectual curiosity, or a shared passion for adventure? Her answer will provide valuable insights into the kind of partner she's looking for. This is an opportunity to highlight the qualities you bring to the table as a potential partner, emphasizing your own trustworthiness, empathy, and ability to provide emotional support. Now let's ignite her imagination with question number 5. What's your biggest dream? This question is all about tapping into her aspirations, her hopes, and the things that make her feel truly alive. It's about uncovering the hidden desires she may not even share with her closest friends. By asking about her dreams, you're essentially saying, I believe in your potential, and I want to hear about the extraordinary things you're capable of achieving. This kind of encouragement and validation is incredibly attractive because it shows that you see her as more than just a pretty face. You see her as a woman with ambition, drive, and a thirst for life. From a Stoic perspective, this question aligns with the principle of living a life of purpose. By asking her about her dreams, you're demonstrating an understanding of this principle and encouraging her to share her own unique vision for the future. As she opens up about her dreams, listen with genuine interest and curiosity. Encourage her to elaborate, ask follow-up questions, and show her that you believe in her ability to make those dreams a reality. For our final question, we're going to delve into her resilience with question number 6. How do you handle challenges? This question is crucial because it reveals her coping mechanisms, her inner strength, and how she navigates the inevitable storms of life. Life isn't always smooth sailing, and relationships require resilience to withstand the tests of time. By asking this question, you're subtly assessing her ability to handle adversity, bounce back from setbacks, and maintain her composure under pressure. From a Stoic perspective, this question aligns with the principle of accepting what we cannot control. By asking her about her approach to challenges, you're demonstrating an understanding of this principle and signaling that you're seeking a partner who can navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. This question also presents an opportunity for you to share your own approach to handling challenges, highlighting your own resilience, problem-solving skills, and ability to provide support during difficult times. Now you have 6 powerful questions to completely change the game. When you use these questions, you're not just having a conversation, you're creating an experience. You're making her feel seen, heard, and understood on a deeper level than she's used to. Remember, gentlemen, attraction isn't about tricks or manipulation. By embracing the wisdom of Stoic philosophy and asking the right questions, you unlock a level of connection that most men can only dream of. So go out there, gentlemen, and start asking those questions.